Peak MACH1 hybrid wiper blades are an excellent addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with side lock wiper arms, both 1/4 inch and 3/16 of an inch. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, rotate the back of the adapter upward. Next, insert the wiper arm into the matching hole size, which will either be 1/4 inch or 3/16 of an inch. Then, push the adapter down until it locks on the inserted wiper arm pin. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak MACH1 wiper blades.